Okay, so here we are, video 2 of my test apparatus. I've still got the same 3 motors connected. I've got these little tape flags, you can see them spinning. I finally got the PLC integrated. It's no longer running on just self-test. So this PLC is the DirectLogic 06. I'm not using any CTRIO modules right now. It's just the straightforward high-speed input-output that's built into it. So we're outputting on Y0. Now I've tweaked things a bit. Previously the test was running on 200 pulses per rev, and I was finding some instability trying to run these motors at crazy high speeds. The middle one there always kind of gave out on me, so I increased it using the little dip switches here to 2000 pulses per rev. And I'm also controlling everything using this CMore touchscreen. So I've set up, I don't know if you can see that, but I've got all of my parameters there, and this is just a screen to kind of change things. So right now I've got a target speed of 10, that's 10 times 10 pulses per rev, a target of 100,000 pulses, and acceleration time, which is basically null, and deceleration time of 1 second, that's times 100 milliseconds. Starting velocity being 4 times 10 pulses per second. And I've got my little lappy set up there. So in my previous tests, I had actually programmed it with the output coil instruction to say set instead of out. It's kind of blurry there, you can't really see it, but and that would actually complete the entire cycle once you've set it, which is the reason why you would need an interrupt. I'm not using an interrupt, so what I've done is I'm just using the out. So when I press the momentary button here, labeled small motors, if I hold it depressed, it will complete the cycle. So there they're going. And there's my 1 sec deceleration time, and I had my finger on the button the whole time there. But in a nutshell, you press the button. If you release it prematurely, it stops it. So I think I'm going to continue using that out coil instead of the set coil, because I think that'll work well in case we want to interrupt with an e-stop or something. And yeah, that about does it. Next job is I'm going to connect all 7 motors. Yes, I know 7 motors seems stupid. It's not my design, I'm just programming it. So I'm going to connect all 7 motors and see if I can get some kind of sustainable speed splitting them like this.